Makenge ngiphethe ngiprayer labana babonisa inamba yakho njana babonisa inamba yakho mina uyangidida ukuthi wasesowethu or ngala ePulukwane ungakuphi sharp
shosho Khotmane ukuqala igama lami uKulinga phela grand original I'm from Pulukwane, that's where I was born, but then I was raised in Soweto, Protea then I attended my primary days there, then later on high school I went to stay with my parents in Pulukwane, that's why I attended my high school.
So uhamba ushone ngale kwagogo kukuphi?
Kwagogo ngikhulise ugogo eProtea then eSoweto.
Okay.
Ngogogo bangikhulise khona. Bese mangithi high school, time and already bangicova bathi yazi asambe semahonqo sobabonanyana, so yeah.
iPirates ithola ku Pirates Cup.
iPirates ngithola ku Pirates Cup basically naku bangibona kuma USA Club Champs ngoba ngidlala iJ, so bangibona participate of the tournament top goal scorer bese ba-inquire bese ngakho ngibajoin starting this year January.
Pirates Cup udlala lephi team?
Pirates Cup I was playing for the University of Johannesburg. I was still representing the University of Johannesburg.
Ntwana University of Johannesburg kuma USA, tell me bokunjani rugby because boy player of the tournament.
Yeah, it's always a tough tournament, you know, the USA's because that's why we qualify for the varsity football instead, and also because there's no cameras, you know, where there's no cameras, where the 30th football is played, you know, so it was tough, but then we grinded because we hadn't qualified the previous year, so we wanted to make a statement and win the tournament, and lucky enough I was given an individual award, 2 of them, so yeah, I'd say I had a good tournament.
You're talking about ukudlala in front of cameras. Is there a difference when there are cameras?
Honestly, at first, yeah, you can't say the difference, but then now, you know, football is football. Once you understand that thing, then cameras, it's just second nature. You don't have to worry about them that much.
And you say UJ, there's varsity football coming. Are you looking forward to it?
I'm definitely looking forward to it because yeah, this is my last year in school, so I'm definitely looking forward to it.
Tunakhuluma nathi ngekhoso ichunayo.
Because ngiyenza accounting science, the Bachelor of Accounting, so that's the course I'm doing.
Ntwana kuvarsity awungeni if ama-marks ayabheda.
Yeah,
ama-marks wakho ahamba kanjani? ama-marks wakho ahamba kanjani?
Ama-marks ahamba great.
Are you able to balance isigela ne-riding?
Yeah, you know, for now, because I'm in a different new environment, so it comes a little bit hard, but then yeah, I'm adapting.
Ntwana ufake i-badge ye-Pirates. Bofake i-Pirates vele.
Honestly, you know, it's a blessing because I grew up supporting Orlando Pirates. So
okay.
It's not everyone who has that privilege to play for the team that he grew up supporting, you know. So yeah.
Let's talk about your strength as a player. I'm a position
I play as a 10, as a left wing, as a right wing. That's where I normally function. And then maybe as an 8, I can play there also.
Kichimagu coach, very passionate. Makhanya.
Yeah.
Kunjani ukusebenza phansi kwakhe?
Yeah, kumnandi kakhulu because umuntu othanda ibhola and umuntu odlala ibhola, so you understand that man. So nakhona uthanda ukuphusha ama-player wakhe and umuntu othanda ukuba hard. So obviously mina ngoba ngiya-understand umuntu oba hard kuwumuntu okufisela okuhle, umuntu obona i-potential yakho ukuthi u-capable of ukwenzani. So he's a very good coach and I'm privileged to be coached by him. So.
Last one, Ntwana yami, you guys are so close, number 5, just 7 points difference na baba phezulu. I think you guys still believe with the 2024-2025 season.
Yeah, you know, it's still there. When you count it mathematically, it's still there. So yeah, we still have the hope, and also we start trying to build consistency, you know. So yeah, we're still in it, definitely.
Bana, kube mnandi boy, kube ngijawu ngaye direto manje angikuthembi ukuthi direto uyazazi
kancane
awushaya Ntwana awushaya ithakazelo kayini awuthi nguzi
ngizori kinamasenyo ngoba amabhela amasenyo ntawo
hayi mfana kithi sizohlangana ku varsity football ngiyabonga boy
Ngiyabonga.
thank you Ntwana yami
Ngiyabonga.
sure